Hey guys, my name is Briddy and I went to New York last year, so I'm definitely not traveling now. Don't be alarmed. I hope you're all safe and doing well, by the way. And for context, I'm Chinese Australian, so I live in Sydney, and yeah, this was my first time to New York. I've been to America, just not New York before, so this was pretty exciting for me. But yeah, I thought I should document my experience and finally put it together. So let's get started. So this is our first night properly in New York because yeah, we slept all of today because our jet lag is like, the time difference is insane. It's like 12 hours behind, so like it's morning here when it's night in Sydney, and it's night in Sydney when it's morning here. So we're heading out. We're going to a place called what's it called, Bella? We're going somewhere called Quality Fresh, I think. It's like an Italian restaurant, and then we also have to go swap money, get some stuff done, but we'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we're about to cross. Yeah, we're going to dinner now, so gonna get food. So we got back to our apartment after a good meal at, what's it called? Quality Italian. I think it's called Quality Italian. It's actually delicious, and get my dish because my dish was the best dish. I forgot the name of it. We're just eating our snacks that we, oh, I'm really on point right now. It's because I'm really bloated. We went Whole Foods earlier and we got these, which are super green chips, branded hummus, and guys, this actually tastes really good because they have some lemon stuff in it. Ew, some smart candy. Good morning. Oh, good morning. We have woken up at a very good time. This is my breakfast. I got some super greens, chips, hummus, orange juice, and oh my god, blackberries here are so, well, not that much cheaper, but like a little bit cheaper than Sydney because you can get two for like $7, and one thing in Sydney is like $8, so I'm happy. Also, this is the view from our window. We are going to head out. I'm going to check the schedule real quick because I did make a little PDF file which I've misplaced somewhere, but I'm going to find it. But yeah, today is officially our like second-ish day here. So we arrived like yesterday, sort of like a day and a bit ago. I saw someone eat these. I forgot who it was, but like they're cauliflower chips from they're cauliflower chips from Whole Foods, and they taste so good. You guys have like the biggest packets of baby tomatoes ever. Like,
oh yeah, this is the
I
one.
think
I've ever tried one before.
Let's go. I think it's air.
Nice. I want to breathe. The passion.
Ooh.
We got some yummy stuff. Look at that. Oh, they're closed. Oh, nice. That's very nice. Let's go.
Really?
Yeah.
Hello. See our nachos again?
Yeah, they're
Our
really
nachos
yummy.
actually look great.
Wait, where are we?
Mom's friend said that we're in the Upper East Side.
So
I'm living my Gossip Girl dreams right now, essentially.
Brittany found out that over there somewhere is where they recorded Gossip Girl. What scene is this?
Every scene ever.
Sure, you're gonna be really dark again.
Okay. I'm so happy.
So you see what you see?
Oh, it's so sunny.
Yeah, it's so sunny.
The steps are right there. So we're gonna eat our nachos there, just like they did in Gossip Girl.
So basically we're going to go sit on the stairs and eat our burritos. Look how overpopulated these stairs are. This is like not cool. Damn, that's me. Hello. Look how cool that is. Okay, we're recording. Go. Don't eat all of it without me.
I'm living a moment right now. We just left them and we're walking on our own way because it's just boring waiting. Yeah, we're gonna go find a cafe and get some goods.
Too late to start now.
I guess. Do you wanna be in my vlog?
Just say hi.
Sure.
It'll be like 1 second. Okay, so we just got back from the restaurant and that place was really cool. It's called Downtown Tao. It's kind of like Asian fusion, so it's not like real Asian food. The food is okay, quite honestly, but the ambience is really cool. Like generally it's just like the whole like vibe of the restaurant, which is like the cool part. So you good there? She's so tired. Okay, go shower and then yeah. Thank you. you okay? Getting ready to leave now. Basically, I found a lot of really cool food places that are like down the block. Not even down the block, like on the same block as us. And it's really cool because like they're all so close to us and I love eating, and there's like a wide variety. Legit, it's like, let me see. Surprisingly, I haven't gone to Times Square yet, so we're gonna go to Times Square probably like tomorrow. No, day after tomorrow. Okay, so this is my meal. We have pumpkin soup, some other stuff from Whole Foods. It's because I was so sleepy today, like because I woke up so early compared to everyone, and then I just kept sleeping. So anyways, I'm gonna go eat now. So this looks really good. Yummy. Hey guys, okay, so it's the next day. We're heading out to go to Colombia. It's about 12, so it's like midday. It's a good time. So the weather's pretty decent today. I really want to get a venti iced matcha from Starbucks later because I've been craving one of those since I've gotten here. Also guys, our view is insane. I've probably said this so many times, but I love it so much. It's just so cool. Worthy of filming.
Hi.
Hi. I got my venti ice matcha soy, and whatever this is from this place. What'd you get?
Oh, I got this.
Amazing. Oh, you look so cute.
Pick up, Amazon killed it because Amazon has its own food thing.
So we've just come to this little Japanese restaurant down the street, and it's really cute and it just opened.
How do you like it?
Tastes so good. Ta-da! Ta-da! And these sauces are amazing as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm dividing this into two, so the next video will be coming out tomorrow, and I'll leave all the details and stuff in the description so you guys will be aware of like what time this video is coming out and everything. So yeah, this covers like the rest of my trip, and I pinky promise this is like the better half of the vlog, so please check it out. And yeah, it will be like a super interesting one. So yeah, anyways, I guess I will see you guys really soon, and thanks so much again for watching.